Hey, g'day people, it's Matt here from Matt Carve. So today we're going to carve a spoon. I'm just pointing out some nail holes in this little piece of wood. Now I got this piece of wood from the Christchurch Art Centre, and after a earthquake quite a while ago they had some spare wood because they were doing repairs, and I managed to get a little bit of it, so I'm making this spoon out of it. Okay, I'm sort of making the pattern up as I go along. I'm just doing sort of like a free form kind of carving today. I want to have the spoon kind of flowing, maybe a little bit of a kind of a Viking feel to it. And later on in the video we're going to use a new technique, and I've never used it before, so that's quite exciting. So just cutting out the major shape of it on the bandsaw there. So I've got a affiliate link below for Kutzall, and I'm using a lot of Kutzall burrs here actually. It's these ones I don't often use, but it's proving to be pretty good. And if you want me to do a specific spoon carving video, just let me know. But yeah, if you can't afford Kutzalls and still want to support the channel, just hit that like button. And yeah, well, let's carry on with this video. Okay, so I'm going to use a new technique here. This is my first time doing this, and I thought I would do a super simple design. It's called Kolrosing, I think that's how you pronounce it. And it's called Kolrosing, I believe, because they used to use coal as a pigment. So this is from the Viking times. They used to use this technique, and it is Scandinavian in origin. So essentially what you do is you cut into the wood and open up the fibers, and then put a pigment into it, and then you burnish it closed.